Good day, everybody. How are you all doing? Hope you are doing great. For those of you who do not know me, this is Dr. Nandi. I've solved all kinds of math problems and uploaded them in my on my YouTube channel. I have also uploaded all kinds of short travel videos all around the world. Maybe when you get a chance, you can take a look at those. I'm sure you will enjoy those views from outside the country. Okay. Anyways, getting back to math, a lot of people complain to me, and I agree with them that math is difficult. Why is it difficult? Have you ever thought about it? And the reason is simple because most of the time we do not know how to solve a problem because we do not know what steps to take. So I'm trying to make things easy, trying to show people what steps we can take to solve math problems. So that's the purpose of my uploading of all these YouTube videos. Um, I have only one request. Please do not quit halfway through. Please stay till the end of the program when I'll give you some important tips. And in the process, if you like my video, please give me thumbs up. So without further ado, let's get started. So this is a problem where we are going to convert from a rectangular equation form to polar form, and we will sketch the graph. Okay. So the rectangular form is basically XY coordinate system, X on the horizontal axis, Y on the vertical axis, and the equation is, in this case, is X square plus Y square equal to 9. Now, going from rectangular system coordinate system, which is X and XY, to polar coordinates, to polar form, to polar form, which is r and theta. Now, if you wonder what is r and theta, X in rectangular coordinate system is given by r, which is the radius from the center to cosine of theta, cosine of theta. Okay. And y is equal to r times, this is r times, this is also r times sine of theta. So this is r cosine theta, r times cosine theta for x, and y is equal to r times sine of theta. Okay. So if you plug the substitute for x and y in the original equation, in the original equation, this is x square plus y square is equal to 9. So for x, we write r cosine theta and square it, exponent 2, plus y is r sine theta, and we square it equal to 9. Okay. So this can be simplified as r square cosine square theta plus r square sine square theta is equal to 9. Now in both the terms we have r square equal common. So we will take the factor r square outside the parenthesis. Inside the parenthesis will be cosine square theta plus sine square theta, and that is equal to 9. But let me move this up a little bit. From trigonometrical identity. Cosine square theta plus sine square theta is equal to 1. Thus, we have thus r square times 1 equal to 9. Okay? Or r is equal to plus minus 3. So if I move this a little bit up, r square equal to 9 is the equation of a circle with center 0 0, center 0 0, that is the origin, and radius 3. So how does it look? Let me chart it up for you. So I'll move this a little bit up. So we will draw a vertical line and then draw a horizontal line. Okay. And then we will assume this is x and this is y. So basically 1, 2, and 3, and then 1, 2, and 3 here, then minus 1, minus 2. I'm talking about xy system, minus 3, and this is again negative y, negative 1, negative 2, and negative 3. So then if we connect these points, this will be our, oops, so let me erase that. So this will be our circle. I have to be careful how I draw the circle. Now this does not look good like a circle, so we will erase this. So basically let's connect it like this and this, as you can see, approximately. So this is not good. So um, so 1, 2, and 2. So it will be like this. And then on this, and this. So this is a circle, the radius is 3. The origin, this is the origin 0 0. And this is the equation. Equation is of the circle is in polar form is r square equal to 9 in polar form. That is a circle with origin as its center and radius is 3, polar form. So this is what the answer we are looking for. R square equal to 9. Okay. So let me summarize. Let me give you some important tip at the end of this program as I have promised. So let's look at the problem. The problem was given to us in rectangular coordinate system, x square plus y square equal to 9. What do I need to know? We need to know x is equal to r cosine theta, y is equal to r sine theta. What is r? R is the radius of the circle or the radial distance from the origin. And what is theta? Theta is the angle that a point, the radial distance, the r makes with the horizontal x-axis. So x is r cosine theta, y is r sine theta. These are the common conversion form from rectangular coordinate system to polar form. Again, r is the radial distance from the center. Theta is the angle that radius that arc makes with the horizontal x-axis. Now you plug in x equal to r cosine theta, y equal to r sine theta, and simplify. You have to use the trigonometrical identity cosine square theta plus sine square theta equal to 1. The equation will finally be r square equal to 9 or r is equal to plus minus 3. So this is the equation of a circle whose center is the origin 0 0 and radius is 3. So I've tried to draw my best the circle. Okay, and I've expressed the circle from rectangular or converted it from the rectangular form to the polar form. Remember, in polar form, x and y disappears. Only things left are r and theta. R is the radial distance from the center, the arrow, okay, the arc, okay, and theta is the angle that radial arc makes with the x-axis. So in this case, for example, theta will be the angle the radius makes with the horizontal axis. I stop here today. I'm sure you may have some question, no problem. You can always ask me a question in the comments area. Please write something. I want to know where you're watching from and what time is it right now at your place. And I will get back to you as soon as possible. I appreciate the fact that you took time to watch my video. If you like my video, give me a thumbs up. That really motivates me. I appreciate that a lot. If you like this video, share with your friends. You and your friends, please subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button. And please do not forget to check me out tomorrow. See you. Have a nice day. Take care.